Hi friend, I am Risu Patel. Today we will discuss about Apache Storm. So first we talk about what is Apache Storm, and in this session we will cover also how we can install Apache Storm's Ubuntu machine, and we will cover also how we can install Apache Storm's Ubuntu machine as a cluster machine. So first we talk about what is Apache Storm. Apache Storm is a free distributed real-time big data processing system. It's Apache Storm also is written on ColorJ and Java. It is a very fault tolerance. It is also is a Steam based, like whatever process, whatever data process inside this Apache Storm is a data process in Steam. Apache Storm is a free and open source distributed real-time computation system. Storm make it easy to reliable and process unbounded stream of data doing for real-time processing. What Hadoop did for batch processing, Storm is a simple, can be used with any programming language and is a lot of fun to use. It is an unbounded streaming of data. Whatever data we process with the Apache Storm, data will be processed is a unbounded streaming. Like we use inside this Apache Storm Spot and Bolt, like whatever processing system we call that topology. So we'll discuss about that also. And so now we talk about that Apache Storm. What is it? So Apache Storm, we know about that is this is a real-time big data processing system. Whatever data process we can process with the Apache Storm is a batch processing, like it will good than Hadoop. So, we process our data with the Hadoop also. This data will be processed in a batch processing, but Apache Storm is better than Hadoop for processing a data in a batch processing. It's have a stream based data processing. Whatever data we will process in the Apache Storm with the Spot to Bolt, data will be processed in a stream. Another one is a fault tolerant and distributed. So it's more fault tolerant and distributed, like whatever data node will be crashed at the time, another data node will be covered. How it will be covered, we will cover like master node will be give a permission to add another node, and so whatever data will be processed, data will be replicated with another node. Non-persistence in the Apache incubator and a return. It will also use it's a ColorJ and a Java. And so, if we talk about like a development system, we can start development with Apache Storm also. It will be good for development, like for processing a data, whatever. Like we have a big data, we want to process the data, so we can start development with Apache Storm. We can download that release Eclipse license version, and then we can start development with the using the source code of Apache Storm. And next we talk about that characteristic. So Apache Storm characteristic, like it is a very fast, scalable, fault tolerant, reliable, and easy to operate. Like we can easily operate that Apache Storm feature. Like if we want to process the data, so we can operate the data very easily inside Apache Storm, because the data will be processed in a stream base. So that's it's very fast, we can process data. It's very fast, and so it's very scalable also. Like we want to add any one node, like in our cluster system, so we can add it's very easily. And another one is it's very reliable also, and it's very fault tolerant also. Like if our data node is going down, so data will be replicated with another data node, so we don't have any fault tolerance. Another one, we talk about that some properties of Apache Storm. So like it is a simple program. We can write a simple program for processing our data. We don't have a need to more programming. So it's a support for a multiple programming language also. Like we can use Ruby and we can use Java, like that. And so it's a very fault tolerance. This is a characteristic also, like for any fault tolerance condition, it will be balance our server. It's a more scalable, reliable, and fast for processing a data and for balancing our cluster. And so transactional and support to map reduce. It's good for that, because it will support the map reduce also, like if we work with the Hadoop, so we process our data with the, we need to process the data in a batch processing. So for that, Hadoop is not a good supported for batch processing. We can use for Hadoop also for batch processing, but it will be good more than Hadoop. Like we can say it will be better than Hadoop for processing data with the batch processing, and it will support also for MapReduce, so it's also better. And another one, like if we talk about who is using Storm, like more companies since these days using Apache Storm, like Groupon, Ole, and Rocketflow. And so many companies, like we can say in this slide, it's many companies in these days using Apache Storm. And so for processing the data, so because everyone have a big data, so they want to process our data, so how they can process, and so everyone want to process the data in a batch processing. So day by day, Apache Storm is uses is some more. And why Apache Storm? Like why we use Apache Storm? Like so for that, like MapReduce running together in Hadoop on Yarn, like if we work with the Hadoop 2.0, so Hadoop also supported to Yarn feature. This is a new feature in built inside this Hadoop, new Hadoop, so it will support to MapReduce. So we can say instead of Hadoop, we can use this Apache Storm also with the Hadoop. So that will be good for processing our data, like we can process our data in a batch processing, like we have a more data, so we can process also our more data with the batch processing system, so that will be good for processing. So like we can say we can use Storm with the Hadoop also, because you process a full range of workload from a real time to interactive to batch. So we talk about that batch processing is a process the data in the form of batch. Storm is a simple, and developer can write Storm topology using any programming language. So that is an important point, like user can write that topology. That's we can say we use this MapReduce program inside this Hadoop. So we work with the Hadoop. At the time we say that is a process called is a MapReduce. But if we work with the Storm, so that's a process is called a topology. Like we say this is a flow for working Storm, like whatever data we process in a stream is a export to Bolt, and Bolt to filter, and then we get a result. So that process we call that topology. So Storm adds a reliable and a real-time data processing capability, some better than Hadoop. So now how Storm work? Like now we talk about that Storm work. So we know about that if we work with the Storm have a 3 node. It's like it will work with the Nimbus, Zookeeper, and Supervisor. Storm cluster has a 3 set of node. Nimbus node is like a master node. Its node is just like a Hadoop. If we work with the Hadoop, so we find we got it name node, and the name node have a job tracker. So our Nimbus also work as a job tracker. It's like a name node. So because job tracker distributing the job, and the job tracker have a responsibility for transforming all the job to data node. Same as Nimbus have a responsibility for complete cluster, have a, whatever jobs have a Nimbus have a responsibility to transfer all the job to the supervisor. Supervisor node is a work as a data node, whatever just like as a Hadoop. If we work with the Hadoop, so we got it a data node with the Hadoop, like if we have a cluster environment in our Hadoop. So that's same as inside if we work with the Storm, so we have a supervisor node. So supervisor node work as a data node. It's a communicate with the Nimbus through the zookeeper, start and spot walker according a single from a Nimbus. Like, and another one is have a zookeeper node. So zookeeper node is a coordinate the storm cluster. So zookeeper, if you talk more about the zookeeper is a server. It will balance the server. Like uh, if you work with the HBase, like if you work with the Hadoop, so zookeeper also we use there. And so zookeeper balancing our server. So same like zookeeper, we use zookeeper also here in a storm. It will balance our cluster. It will coordinate. So master node to data node. It's like a Nimbus to supervisor. And another one is how storm work. This in this figure now we can see is Nimbus, zookeeper and supervisor. So we can see in this figure is how is what's the work perform, what's the role perform is a zookeeper, Nimbus and supervisor. First of all, we are looking is a Nimbus. Nimbus is a one. Is this is a master node of our storm cluster. Another one in between we are looking is a zookeeper also. Is a zookeeper is a coordinator. Coordinator, we can say that the zookeeper is a coordinator in between Nimbus to supervisor. Another one we are looking supervisor. Supervisor work as a data node. So we can say that this is our data node. So supervisor work perform as a data node. Like if we have a many supervisors, so one supervisor is going down, so data will be transferred with the another data node. Like a zookeeper is a coordinator, zookeeper balance our cluster and it will replicate the data with another data node. So now it's have some component inside this Apache Storm. So that's in between component. What's the process? Have a tuple, stream, spot, bolt and topology. So what is a tuple inside this storm? An order tuple is a ordered list of element. For example, like a four tuple, we have a four tuple, might be like a 7 3 7 1 3 7. This is a tuple like a data. Like if we talk about Hadoop, so we work with the Hadoop and then job tracker distribute the data, name node distribute the data in the form of block. Same like this is a data block. We can imagine that this is a block, data block. This a tuple will be the data will be replicate with that with that node. This is a different whatever node we have inside this storm cluster in the form of tuple. Another one is a stream. Stream is a unbounded sequence of tuple. Like we have a more tuple. Like we have a 7 1 3 6 3 7. It's a 4 tuple. So 4 data block. We can imagine we have a 4 data block. So that 4 data block is an unbounded sequence of tuple in data flow. Another one is a spot. So data process with the spot. First of all, data processes a stream as an unbounded sequence of tuple to spot. Like it will accept the data, like it will receive the data and process to the bolt, like a source of stream. This you can say this is a source of stream in a computation. Like this is a good example of a Twitter API. Like if we look inside the Twitter, so we can because Twitter also use this Apache Storm, so it will good example. So Twitter API. Another one is a bolt. So bolt is a process input stream and produce output stream. Like whatever data accepted from spot, it will give a output for that data. Like it will receive the data in one way and another way it will give a output. Like run function, filter, aggregation, join data, talk to database. It's all process performing. Another one is a topology. The overall calculation represent visually as a network of spot and bolt as in a following diagram. Like we can see in another slide inside the diagram is how its work perform. Like we can see in this slide, so like storm data process, how storm process the data. we can see it's a spot, and so another one we can see it's a bolt, like this is a spot, another one is a bolt, like whatever data process inside this is spot data accepted in the form of stream, like this way, this way, and spot give the data and so, give output, and bolt accept the data in the form of input, whatever output provided by spot, and then after then bolt give a output also, like we can get output here, so we can get output here. And now we talk about the component of a storm cluster. A storm cluster is super physically similar to a Hadoop cluster. So two kind of node and a storm cluster also, like one is a Nimbus, another one is a supervisor. Nimbus work as a name node, supervisor work as data node. So each worker node run demos called a supervisor, like we can say that that is our data node. Each worker process execute as a subset of topology. Whatever flow of data, like we use instead of topology, we use inside the Hadoop is a MapReduce. So that's process we call it a topology. And so all coordination between Nimbus and supervisor is done through the Zookeeper cluster, because we use Zookeeper. Zookeeper is a balance of a cluster. So Zookeeper is a mediator in between Nimbus and supervisor. So now we can see in this figure is how Nimbus communicate with the supervisor. It will communicate with the in between Zookeeper. It will Nimbus communicate first to Zookeeper, and Zookeeper communicate with the supervisor. So it will work perform like Nimbus. Zookeeper is a work perform for coordinator, and it will balance to the Nimbus also. It will balance to the supervisor also. So now we talk about topology. So we have already talked about the topology is a graph of computation, like whatever process for data flow inside this storm cluster, that process will call topology. Each node in a topology contains processing logic. This runs the class backtype that storm my topology with the arguments. And so since topology defined as just heaped structure also. And what's happened? Oh my god. God is like. Yeah, so now we talk about stream. So the core abstraction in a storm is a stream, like a stream is an unbounded sequence of tuple. We have already talked about that. Stream is an unbounded sequence of tuple. It's a storm provide the primitives for transforming a stream into a new stream is a distributed and a reliable way. A spot is a source of stream. A bolt consuming any number of input stream. Now we can see this is a network of spot and bolt. So we have already seen that structure like a spot, how it's connected with a spot and bolt. What's the work perform spot and bolt? Spot receive the data and give output, and bolt receive the data from a spot and give output. This is an explanation for the structure, like a link between a node in your topology indicate how tuples should be passed around in between spot and tuple. Each node in a storm topology execute in a parallel, like group shuffling, And in your topology you can specify how much parallelism you want to each node. So inside of bolt, like this is called group shuffling. When we process the data in the inside this export to bolt, so that data will be going on is a parallelism inside this bolt. A topology run forever or until you kill it. Like topology is not kill without kill you. Like a storm will automatically resign any failed task, and all coordination between Nimbus and supervisor is done through the Zookeeper cluster. And so some data models use inside this storm, like storm uses a tuple as a data model also. So tuple is a name list of value, and a fail in a tuple can be an object of any type. So out of box storm support all primitive types also, string and byte array as a tuple field values. Like it's for a development. Like to use this object of another type, you just need to implement like a serialize for the types also, and every node in a topology just declare the output field for the tuple it emit. And so like this is a simple topology. We can see how we can say how we can write that code for that topology. So we can see in this slide how we can write that code and how we can define export and bolt. Like first of all, this is a simple topology. So we have already said that export, we have already said that bolt, and this is a shuffle grouping. So this is a process how data will be processed inside this export and bolt. So whatever data we have, the data will be processed in the export, and export give output to the bolt, and data process will be bolt. And so data processed inside this bolt in we can say it will use a shuffle grouping also. So data process with the bolt is a parallelism, and then it will give a output. So this topology contains a export and two bolt. So this export emit bolt, and each bolt appending the stream. Now we are looking stream grouping. What is a stream grouping? A stream grouping tell a topology how to send tuple between two components. Remember, export and bolt execute in a parallel as many tasks across the cluster. And so stream grouping answer this question for by telling Storm how to send tuple between set of tasks. We can see in this figure how the data will be processed with the export and bolt, how the data parallelism inside this bolt. We can see this data will be parallelism inside this bolt at the time of processing data with the export to bolt. So this process will be called shuffle grouping. So stream grouping, like how we can how we can code for this grouping. So we can see in this slide this code for that streaming grouping. It's a topology builder. It will use a builder.set topology. It's a and random sentence export, and another one is a use a set of bolt, and then shuffling, and then set of bolt, and then field grouping. So that's first of all, when we process the data, it will accept the data with the export, and it will random sentence is export, like it will break the data, like it will create that create this form of block the data. We can say it will create that the create this form of tuple the data, so randomly, and then it will process the data in to bolt, and bolt it will take the data in the form of shuffle grouping, and then for that every sentence, and at the time it will process also for shuffling parallelism. That process will call this a shuffle grouping. Is a bolt is another language. Bolt can be defined in any language, like a bolt written in another language are executed as a sub process also. We can define like a bolt is a Java and Ruby and another languages. So Storm communicate with those sub process with the JSON message, so over STDN. And so we define we definition of the like a split sentence bolt from word count topology also. defining a bolt in the another language, how we can define and how we can split the data. Like we have a split sentence that py, this is a sentence, py, this is a file. So how we can split the data? So it will define that like a hello world example. It will take the data and then split whatever the sentence have inside this file. It will break that file and split that sentence. And another one is a transactional topology, how we can process the transactional topology. Whatever data received in the form of stream is a export, and export process the data in between bolt. So in between that process will use is like a batch process also, like if we have a more data, so that process will be called is a batch process. So storm is a guarantee that every message will be play that the topology at least once. Like a storm has a feature called